Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let's see, our project title is RIHT, a novel hybrid IP traceback scheme. Internet has been widely used in various fields for various applications. As the use of internet increases, the problems in network security also increases. Attackers hide themselves and spoofs the data while transformation. Identifying those attackers is a challenging process nowadays. IP traceback is the mechanism that is used to trace the source of the attack by using the packet logging scheme. More hybrid tracebacking mechanism can be formed by combining packet logging with the packet marking. In the paper, hybrid IP traceback scheme is framed to trace the source of attack and the network. Let us see, our project data flow diagram is network construction. A network topology may consist of the number of routers that are connected with local area network. A router can either receive data from the nearest router and from the local area network. The border node receives packets from its local area network connections. So next process is path selection. The path is said to be the way in which the selected packet or file has to be sent from the source to destination. The desired path between selected source and destination can be defined. The next process is packet sending. The packet sending, one of the packet is selected from the transformation of process. So packet marking and logging. The packet marking is the phase where the efficient packet marking algorithm is applied at each router along between the defined path. So the next process is found attack. If any attacker uses a selected path, the path is reconstruct the receiving packet. So admin, we check the path. So nobody attackers find the path is, so the path is selected in receiving the packet, transferring the file. So nobody attackers there is in the path. So the path is file transferred in the received packet. Let us see our demo is. So to click on the address button. So user getting of our system IP address and MAC address. So user IP address 192.168.0.55 and MAC address is so shown in below in text box 6. To click on the network status button. So what type of network users is to have in NIC card number. So NIC card number will display in network type. This is a NIC serial port number. So how much of signal to getting our user systems? The signal is 521178 and status is true or false. The LAN connection will be connected, so status is true. Users didn't have a LAN connections, status display in false. Signal status false and data identification displayed here. The speed is 100 and identification in NIC card port serial number and MAC addresses will be displayed here. To click in the signal status, so the how much of signal to losses to identify in the signal irregularity button will be displayed here. The uses the shortest path between the source and destination. No need to reference the packet logging information. Often it is more accurate and take less computation when compared with other schemes. We check in our user network information we know in admin details. So to click on the node button, so node create in number of nodes and number of edges. To click on the axis size, so node create that node dynamically placed in the X and Y position. First of all, it calculated in distance between the two nodes. The packet should be transferred. We will check transfer a file into a path. The path is allocated in shortest path. To getting which path is shortest distance, I take calculated with the distance in between two nodes. So which path is better than user selected path? The better path is allocated, the file is transferred. So to click in the node button, so all nodes are connected. So number of nodes 7 and number of edges 8. So to click on the axis button, so we can see the path is source node in 1 and client node 7. So I have to select in source node 1 and destination node in 7. So to click on the axis size, so which position to placed in every node in X axis and Y axis. To click on the path button, so we can see this source to destination possible path is generated 1 2 and 2 to 3 and 3 to 7 and 1 to 4 and 4 to 7 and 1 to 5 and 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. It depends upon the source node to client node in user selected query. Users have to various source to destination. That node depend upon the possible path was generated. So I have to select in 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 7 path. The files are transferred. So but the path is better than another path. If we have any attack is occur, admin we will check into the process. Click on the path button. So to click on the view button, so use the selected path is connected in nodes. So source node to 1 and destination node to 7. So file it should be transferred. So to click on the button, so I have to select in one text box. So the file name AA 3.4 and file size is 707 bytes. So to click on the file transfer button, so file transfer successfully. So to click on this button, so transaction successfully, single link failure not occur. Choose your selection path. So your selection path 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 7 and data transmission path 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 7. This path is better than it should be transferred in same path. If this path is better than another path, so this path is allocated in transferring the file path. So to click on the next button, have to send in these files. So this file contents are displayed. So data transmit files, so data transmit file and receiver file compare, both are equal. So we will check any losses to the content in transferring the file. So comparing both are equal, so equal files are displayed here. So compare both are equal, so the both files are equal. So click on the next button, accuracy. So which path is better than transferring the file in more time? So this path is shown here. So which file more time to process the transferring the file? So that file only view on this graph. Thank you.